Hello. Hello. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iyabo. I am a midwife. My channel's name is Mom and Dad Midwife. Hey, today our baby is here. Why is our baby here today? Mwah, mwah. All the mamas, you love baby. Baby is sleeping. Sleeping baby. Sleeping baby. Sleeping baby. See baby's leg. See baby's leg. So cute. Uh, Today, we just want to, baby want to unbox the cap we bought yesterday. We were in the market yesterday, so we bought this cap for baby. See, set of cap. See, how many of it? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 new cups. Baby's sleeping, okay? So I'm going to be removing the label. I bought this. We bought it in the mall. So which one are we going to use? It's wearing white. Which one should we? Let's unbox it first. Yes. There's something still holding it. There's a tag there. But we can easily remove it. Is it going to wear all? We will try. We'll see. Oh. Use scissors so that you don't damage the remaining cap. Yeah, we have this. Let me start with this. Hello, how are you all doing? The pregnant mama. oh, can you see? The cap is bigger. The cap suit well. The cap is a bit big, but we'll just manage it like that. Make it like this. Make it like this. It's okay. It's okay. It's nice. Yes. Lovely cap. Lovely cap. You can see. It suits. This one is nice. We'll wear another one. Let's put on this. I love this. What animal is this? This is nice. Wear another one. Careful when you're doing this. Put your baby on your laps very well, mothers. Oh, my preggy mamas and the new mamas. See another one. Oh, can you see this one? Oh, how does this? Let's see. This one suit well. It's a cap. Oh. You can make it like this. Let's make it. Oh no, we need to. They're not seeing you. They're not seeing you. Look at. Oh, this one is big. I think I love the black. Then we have another one. We bought 5, right? We'll have another one. Have this. Have this again. This one. This lighting is from my. I'm making this video from my window side because I just like the lighting here. But I think this afternoon is a bit. The sun that's shining out there. This UAE, we have a lot of sun here. We have sun shining. This is another one. But for this dress, I think black suit wear. This, yeah. We're unboxing our cap. We bought caps yesterday. This one looks smaller. This is smaller. It's smaller. Oh, you wear this one. You wear this one. Baby, sorry. We're unboxing, right? Sorry to disturb you. And you are sleeping. But the mamas out there want to see you, how your cap fit. They want to know how your cap fit. How your cap fit. We hold your baby. Make sure you hold the head. Because this is our newborn baby. It's a newborn baby. Hold your cap well. This one fits our baby so well. You see? He was smiling. Yeah. And how are you all doing? I hope your baby is kicking. Your baby is kicking so well inside you. Make sure you monitor your baby's kick, your baby's movements, and visit your doctor. Make sure you go for your appointment. Make sure you take your medication. This is what we do on this channel, just to, as a midwife, I am, to advise all the pregnant women out there, the new moms, those that are just delivered, and even the one with toddlers. We do it on this channel. Yeah. So today we are just unboxing our baby's cap, and when you hold your baby, I do hear some people will like, don't hold the baby too much, don't carry the baby too much, you know, his baby will get used to your hand. Baby, what do you want baby to do? I'm asking. Do you want baby to start walking or running around like older children, or going to an errand like you, that you can go to the market or do other stuff? No. Do not let anyone, I repeat, do not let anyone make you feel you are spoiling your baby by carrying your baby all the time. Don't let anyone let you feel that you spoiled her baby. Baby will not want to sleep in the crib. Who told you that? When your baby cries to be held or to be fed, don't let anyone make you feel that you are spoiling that baby. Okay? Just imagine a baby staying 9 months, 9 good months of warmth. So warm. 9 good months of warmth and total security inside your womb. And then the baby is born. Imagine keeping how baby will feel inside that crib. Lonely in the crib. You know, baby have known your womb to be secured and warm. Imagine how that baby will feel in the crib, and how it's going to be cold. And then when you now hold the baby feels secured in your hand, in your arms. And somebody will come, keep the baby, you're carrying too much, oh, this baby, you just spoil it. No, spoil the baby. The baby need it. The baby need that love to grow. That's why you see some people grow up, they don't love people. Show that love to that baby. It's your baby. We say baby, this is a baby that's even under 28 days. And you're talking about you're spoiling. What was 28 days, baby? No. From 0 to 28 days. Still a new baby. And you are telling the mother. And even by carrying this baby, you know that when carrying the baby and hugging the baby, release some hormones to help the mother release breast milk for this baby to feed. So mom out there, my beautiful mama out there, and the daddy, I want the husband to support their wives, support them, let them spoil this baby. As the mom is holding the baby, nothing segregates the father from holding and hugging the baby also, okay? And you know, apart from being warm and being secure in your womb, you know that baby never know hunger. Baby never know hunger because baby is always feeding from your placenta. From the placenta in your womb, It gives baby nutrient and oxygen. So baby never know hunger. And you imagine how frightening it will be when that empty stomach ache. So baby cries, frightened. So all of this make baby need you to hug them. They want security. Baby need that warmth, warmness they ever known in your womb. And they never lack food. So when you do this, you feed them, you hug them, it makes them to grow well, okay? Your baby is not demanding. Your baby is just seeking comfort. And the comfort they have always been used to. They already know this comfort, so they are not demanding. I beg you, mother, fathers out there, families out there, let's love these little angels. They need our love. You can see our baby. I think the light, maybe you cannot see well from the light beside my window, but our baby will be coming out regularly. I'll bring baby in another lighting environment, but this is the one I can make use of this afternoon. It's 1 p.m. now in the UAE. Yeah, our baby is here just to come and unbox. I want to be a new mom again. Meanwhile, this our baby is just a reborn. Is not a real baby. It's the baby I bought. You can watch my video where I unbox the baby I bought from Timo. I got this baby from Timo for you mothers out there. I want something that look like, at least near look like baby, because this is our channel. We want to be scientific. We want to be showing it real how it should be. I want to help moms out there, those that doesn't have any experience and don't have people to show them things around them. This channel is for you. Ask question, ask whatever question you want that is surrounding pregnancy, and even not before pregnancy, infertility, pregnancy, labor and birth, postnatal, the care of the newborn baby. All we share knowledge of all of this on this channel. Yeah, I'm a midwife for over 20 years, and it's my joy to see that mothers do it right, fathers do it right. Because this channel, as I've said, is not only the mothers. Fathers need to be involved, okay, right from the infertility to the end of it. Throughout, I want fathers to be involved. For this life, everyone needs love. So baby, we have disturbed your sleep too much. Baby don't have name yet. Very soon we'll give her a baby name. Now, is it a baby boy or baby girl? Guess, baby boy or baby girl? I love this baby. So, thank you all for watching. Thank you for watching our baby unbox his or her new calves. And the calves feed so well. Yeah, we're going to be baby bought. Not only calf we bought, we're going to unbox another thing baby bought that day. Or we bought for baby yesterday. So subscribe to my channel, baby. Subscribe to our channel. And share our video, like, and put on your notification bell, because on this channel we are going to be giving back-to-back lovely content regarding motherhood. This 2025, get all the information needed to care for your newborn baby. Your calf fits. So I will go back. You go back and sleep now, okay? I'll take you back to your crib. Sorry to disturb your sleep. It's because of our viewers. And you have been sleeping. You know, you will sleep all day. You know, this baby will sleep all day. In the night now you'll wake up. We talk about that next time. Why baby sleep so much in daytime.